Welcome fans to another unboxing and review from the Spin Master Monster Jam series. This is my first truck of 2023 from this line, but this was actually came out last year, and this is series 26, and this is the 25th anniversary Chrome Grave Digger Edition. Now, before I get into this unboxing of this one, I want to take you back to the Hot Wheels version. And here is the box art of the Hot Wheels Edition one. And you see that they have a nice picture of the Chrome Grave Digger. And there we go, Grave Digger 25th anniversary. This is what it looked like back then. Of course, with Hot Wheels, and as you can see, there is no red headlights in the front. There are spaces for it, but no red headlights. We turn it around to show you the top of it. There we go. So you can see the top of it, and it does have a 2006 Monster Jam World Finals Racing Champion. And to take a look on the back of the card, there is what the back of the card looks like, and a lot of different Monster Jam toys. On the back of the card, we see that this Grave Digger is in the World Finals edition, of course, and then Megalodon, Big Kahuna, Alien Invasion, El Toro Loco, and this one, I don't remember the name of it. It looks like a horse, and it also has armor on it. And then the True Heavy Metals of Max D, and Wolf's Head, the Silver Edition, and then Zombie. And I believe that is the Lady Zombie one. So I did purchase this at Kohl's. Let me go ahead and unbox it. Here it is. We get a green plastic crushable car. Here it is, the 25th anniversary edition of Grave Digger. We get a green roll cage and a silver chassis. And it is actually a metal chassis underneath here. I believe so. It is heavier. And I believe this up here is actually a plastic body. And so we'd start off with the purple bead locks. Also, then let's go ahead, check it out with the anniversary edition paint job on here. Not too bad on here for the Spin Master version. Right around here, though, I can see that it's hard to make out right here, but I believe that will say since 1982 right there. It's so small on the side of the truck. That's the only thing. Hopefully they also come out with a kind of better graphics on silver trucks. In the front there, you can see the red headlights that we always used to see with Grave Digger, of course, and the flame job on the hood. Coming around to the other side, there we go, other side look. So not too bad, you know, it's still not clear, like I just mentioned a couple seconds ago of the graphics. We have the Grave Digger, and then 25th, since 1982, I believe it says right there, and an anniversary right there, it should say. Here is the back, the top. Top looks pretty good. We have the green flames. It says Grave Digger. We get the ghost there, 25th anniversary since 1982. And 2006 Monster Jam World Finals Racing Champion. I'm guessing it says racing underneath there. It's so small and hard to make out, but overall, it's very nice to have this in the Spin Master collection. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing, and this review here on Monster Truck Classics.